world, but nowadays the United States only. So Florida, Texas, California, nowhere else in the United States. We have some growers in Louisiana. When I get a cutting in, it usually looks like it's a little dehydrated.
Yes.
Still has green leaves. Sometimes it still has the flowers from the cuttings. In this case, I looked at the bottom of this cutting and it's very brown. It's a little soft in the center.
Yeah, it is.
So what I want to do is I want to cut this back, and I instantly got back to
And you got, yeah. Oh my
milk
God.
dripping down.
Wow. Yeah, sap.
Now you want to hear the best thing about these? This is directly related to milkweed, to what is the poinsettias, and the bushes that used to be all over the interstate. What were the names of those things? That grew 20 feet tall
Oh,
almost.
that look like grass? With the...
No, it was the
No, they're
bushes.
flowered.
Well, I can't remember the
They
name.
flowered, right?
Yep. But those are all in the same
New
family.
Orleans East. I saw them a ton of
Yep.
New Orleans East.
So this will have to callus for about 10 days. After the 10th day, you can take and put cinnamon on it, or you can put cinnamon on it right now. It acts as a natural bacterial stop or a infection point. You can put honey, which serves two purposes, bacterial, and it stops any type of infection to go into the plant. When you're ready to actually grow it, after 10 days, I recommend rooting hormone. I take my stem that has already calloused.
Right. Callus for what, a week?
10 days.
10 days.
So this is a good callus right here. It's a hard callus.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I moisten the bottom just a little bit. I stick it into my rooting hormone so that my bottom has a solid.
Yeah.
Take my soil. I like to push down my soil. Very light. Drains water quickly. A lot of perlite. Doesn't retain a lot of water. You want them to dry out in between waterings. And you go down about 3 inches. And that's it. And once she's in, I'll recommend taking
Staking
a
it.
stick of some sorts, which I use bamboo. It's somewhere around here, but I use a tie and ties.
tie.
My tie's on that other table over there, I think. All the way on the other side.
So what kind of tie is that?
This is a thicker tie. Jefferson Feed offers that.
Okay.
And just take it so you have stability. If this keeps falling over, you're never going to root it. And that's it.
Okay.
Simplistic.